Today, we're going to use our graphing calculator to help us find the zeros of a function. And help us out, we have this lovely function here, f of x equals x to the 6th power minus 3.2. So let's go ahead and grab our TI-89 here. And we need to enter this function into the calculator. So we need to go to our y equals screen. So I'm going to press my green button, y equals. And here's where we can enter it in. So let's see, x caret 6 minus 3.2. Alright, we hit enter, and now I'll store it in the calculator. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Pressing our green button and going to graph. And it looks like we have a lovely picture here. So from the looks of the graph, it looks like we probably have two zeros. One where it crosses the x-axis here, and the other one right there. Now we can have the calculator actually find these, but we have to do it one at a time. So if you'll notice at the top it says math, so let's press the F5 and bring up our math menu. And the second option there says 0. We'll select that. Enter. Now the calculator needs a little bit of information. It's asking for a lower bound. You'll see this little bullseye showed up on the screen. You can move it left or right using your arrow keys. Since this is a lower bound, we want to move it to the left side of where we think that 0 is. Alright, once we move it off to the left side, press enter, and it's going to ask for the upper bound. So now we want to move it off to the right side of where we think that 0 is. Okay, that looks like a good spot, so let's press enter. The calculator will think for a bit, and then it's going to display the coordinates of where it thinks the 0 is. And it displays an x coordinate and a y coordinate. Now some interesting things might happen. You'll notice for the y coordinate it has negative 5 e to negative 13. That's actually using scientific notation for the y coordinate. Because it is so small, it's actually pretty close to 0 that we're just going to assume that is 0. So it says our first 0 is located at the point negative 1.21392, 0. Alright, so let's go ahead and find the other one now by running through this process again. So we go to Math, select 0. We want to move our bullseye to the left side of the other 0. So this is our lower bound. Enter. We'll move it to the right side. Looks good. Enter. And looks like it found another 0 at positive 1.21392. So we found both the zeros, and it wasn't too bad. If you'd like to see some more videos, please visit mysecretmathtutor.com.